Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to add line spacing in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if your text looks too cramped or too spaced out, this one is for you. Let's adjust your line spacing. So, what you need to do, if you want to adjust line spacing or if you want to add line spacing, as I rightly put here, I like to test. Go to the Home tab and click the line and paragraph spacing icon with up down arrows. Okay, so this text, we want to space it. It is not spaced at all. There's no spacing in between. Okay, so to do that, I'm already on the Home tab. Okay, then this is the icon here. Okay, line and paragraph spacing. Now you click on it. Currently it is a 1.0. Okay, you can choose from 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0 and so on. So the higher the number, the more space between lines. So for custom spacing, click line spacing options. Okay, but here let's use 1.5 spacing. You can see it is now well spaced out. Okay, and let's do 2.0. You can see it is more spaced out compared to what we had before. Okay, so that is how to add line spacing. So this spacing equals better readability. So that is it. And also, if you want to okay, let me do this. Okay, now you can also remove space after paragraph by selecting this option. All right, so that is it. It is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Do like and subscribe.